Cleaning and moving your data from your old ERP system to your new ERP system is one of those areas that is absolutely rife for cost overruns, time overruns, and huge problems when the new ERP system stands up with bad data. Bad data is even worse today because all the new AI tools depend on you having clean data in your ERP system. Now, here's one of the things that you need to be aware of and avoid at all costs. If during the process, when you're talking to a partner or a software vendor about creating that implementation plan and budget for moving data from the old system to the new system, the suggestion is you will be presented with Excel templates so that your internal team can move data from the old system, then clean it to have imported into new system. Those are huge red flags. That never works well. For a more detailed discussion on that, let's chat.